Here are 10 kitchen gadgets you need right now on Amazon. These are products to help you have a clutter-free home. Everything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below. I'll also pin it in the comments section, and you can scan the QR code on screen if you're watching from your TV or an iPad. I am loving these snackable snack jars. They come in multiple beautiful colors, and you can put a wide variety of snacks in each of them. Coffee, vitamins, and so much more. They are also leak-proof. I had to test this out myself, so I put a little ice drink in each of them just to really see, and my word, they are definitely leak-proof. They're BPA-free, dishwasher, and freezer safe. I love that these are so portable. You can put them in your backpack, you can put them in your car, take them to the pool, or just have them outside for easy snacking access. The handle on top is also removable, which makes it ideal for travel, office, gym, and so much more. This encourages my kids to eat healthy because they love just using this portable snack container. Rather than having a ton of plastic Ziploc baggies laying around in my kitchen with goldfish and strawberries and grapes and then throwing them to a bag and hoping that they don't get smashed, this is perfect. Currently, right now on Amazon, you can get 2 of these for just about $25. These are perfect for on the go or just anywhere. Let me know in that comments box below if you have a ton of different cupcake and muffin makers in your house. I know we probably have 3 or 4 muffin tins, but with this gem, not anymore. You can bake 12 cupcakes or muffins quickly within about 7 minutes to be exact. It comes with a really handy recipe book with some super savory treats along with some pizza cups. I'm excited to try those with my kids. No need to wait in preheated oven and then wait for the oven to cook everything and then warm your entire house in the summer because you know we don't want that. 2 tips that I have when using this. 1, make sure that you use some sort of cooking spray or oil to coat both sides of the muffin tin. 2, make sure that you do not fill your muffin tins to the brim because the outside will be very brown and the inside will not yet be cooked. If you fill to the halfway line, your muffins should be super tasty and to perfection. I was able to bake 3 batches of muffins in the time that it would have taken me to bake just 1. Super easy to clean and store away for future use. It comes in multiple really cute colors, and I love that this is perfect for kids, especially if you do not want them using the oven for fear of them burning themselves. This is currently on sale for 5% off under $50. This is worth every penny in my opinion because of the versatility and ease of use, and by golly, I no longer need to have 4 to 5 different muffin tins anymore. This makes up for it. This 3-in-1 pizza cutter and cake slicer is a high sellout risk, so I'm gonna link some alternative options for you that are just as good in the description box below because this is so good. And currently on Amazon, this is just about $7. This is gonna help you have a clutter-free kitchen because it's 3-in-1 design. You can easily use the wheel to cut pizzas and serve them and clip them so you don't have to worry about your pizza sliding off your pizza cutter. And let me tell you, this cuts pizzas really nicely. That blade is nice and sharp. On the end handle, you can also hang this in your kitchen if you wanted to for easier access and use depending upon how you like to store items. Not only is this great for pizza and cake, you can use this for pies. The pie cutter works amazingly well. Use it also to serve your favorite delicious and tasty desserts. This is easy to clean and easy to store. This is dishwasher safe and rust proof. Looking for a gift for any friend who just got a new home? Rest assured that this high quality pizza cutter is one they won't disappoint. So if you're looking to cut down on space, this is it. It works as a cutter, server, slicer, and also a spatula. When I found these toaster bags, I was like, no way is that actually gonna make everything nice and melty and ooey gooey and pop right in my toaster. Well, to my surprise, it really worked. Currently, right now on Amazon, 21% off, just about $3 for these gems. 4 come in a pack and you can use it multiple times. According to the packaging, you can actually use it up to 50 times each. Not only can you toast things with this, but you can also use it to heat up chicken nuggets, vegetables, and so much more. Traveling someplace and don't want to bring your sandwich panini press with you? Well, these are a perfect alternative. This next one is a goodie for you, my friend. These collapsible measuring cups and measuring spoons. They just fit so nicely inside of one another. Typically, you can't put your measuring cups inside a drawer, but because these are collapsible, you can fit them in almost any space in your kitchen. Maybe you're traveling or going camping, these will fit so nicely in any small space. Easy to measure, easy to use, and easy to clean. Maybe you have someone going off to college or lives in a smaller apartment, these would be wonderful. It also comes with a set of measuring spoons, which are also wonderful for easy storage and space saving. And all items are BPA free. There's also a really nice hook on the end, so if you wanted to hang these in your kitchen, you certainly could. Right now on Amazon, these are currently just about $12 for this entire set. Heck to the yes. Now, as you know, I don't have any cats or dogs, but I do have 4 children. So if you do have pets, this will be doubly helpful for you. My kids like to dig in the pantry all day long and just fill up on all the tasty snacks rather than eat, healthy, balanced meals. So we do need to keep our pantry latched. I love it for that reason. I also work in an office where my kids like to come in and out and interrupt me all throughout the day. Let me know if you can relate to that in the comments box. So I needed something to latch easily without having to change out my doorknobs. This is wonderful. It's so easily adjustable with the strap, and it's super easy to install. Maybe you have a cat and a dog and your dog likes to go in and eat all the cat food. Not anymore. You can adjust that strap to ensure that only your little kitty can get to where he or she needs to go. This is contributing to my clutter-free office because my kids can no longer just come in and make my office their playpen. I love them dearly, but they're like little tornadoes traveling throughout the house all day long, especially as we approach summertime. Anytime I can find cute ways to serve snacks, I'm excited because my kids are more apt to eat them, especially when they look nice. When I found this divided serving tray with the lid and the handle, I was pumped. Currently, right now on Amazon, it's 5% off, so just about $20. You can also use this for charcuterie boards, picnics. It's great for entertaining. It also fits so nicely inside of your refrigerator, so you could make things ahead of time, and let's say you're going to the pool the following day, you are set and ready to go. So easy to carry and so easy to clean. You can remove each of the individual snack containers inside and refill easily as needed. You could use this for different spices, condiments, perfect for barbecuing. I'm going to get so much use out of it this summer. In fact, we'll probably be using it almost every single day. Not only will my house stay cleaner because kids are outside eating their snacks, but I know that they're going to have healthier options and alternatives. This also makes for an excellent gift idea. If someone gave this to me, I would be like, you are a genius. Thank you. Number 1 best seller alert. It's the stainless steel butter spreader 3-in-1 gadget. So we can get rid of some items in our kitchen perhaps and just use this. I love that. Currently right now for a limited time, it's on sale for 44% off, which makes it just about $9. And there's an additional 10% off coupon. So whenever you see that little green checkbox on Amazon, make sure that you click it so that you can save the most amount of money. This is amazing for cold butter. That way you're not tearing your bread up. The smooth finish design is perfect for kids. I love the slatted holes for curling hard butter, and you can also use this as a cheese cutter. This not only elevates your kitchen, but it also elevates your butter game. This is a must-have in any kitchen, and it's also rust resistant. Get ready to save some major space in your refrigerator and on your counters with this 3-tiered ceramic bowl set and bamboo stand. I love this for displaying all the tasty fruits in our home. Rather than having them stacked in a bowl or rolling around in my refrigerator, I can easily display them on my kitchen. Not only do I want to eat healthier, but my kids also want to eat healthier when you see a nice pear or an apple on the stand. Super easy to clean. Not only can this hold all of your fruits and your produce and tomatoes. By the way, I think I'm the only one in my house that eats tomatoes, but they're so tasty. But you can also use this to hold different snacks. If you have kids or grandkids, sometimes you like to give them options, but not too many options. So you could set out 3 different options in this 3-tiered serving dish, and they can pick what they like from there. Or if you yourself are trying to eat healthier, make sure that you have fresh fruit available for you to access so that you don't get overly hangry and off track. This has to be one of my favorite purchases in my kitchen, not only because it saves space and it contributes to a clutter-free kitchen, but it's so chic and beautiful. Currently right now on Amazon, this is about $45. Your mind is going to be blown with this next one. It's this Old English scratch cover for wood. It's under $6 currently on Amazon, and it does come in multiple different colors. I have these cabinets that are all scuffed up from my 4 children banging into them. Things happen within your home. This is so easy. Grab yourself some gloves, some paper towel, and this Old English, and you're just going to rub away. I've also used this in my front door. I live in Minnesota, so we have a lot of weather other extremes around here and it worked wonderfully. So maybe you have some kitchen cabinets that need a little bit of love. They're looking a little worn down. You just want to freshen them up, make them look literally like brand new. This is it. Check out the before and after of the cabinets that are just off my kitchen. The change is absolutely remarkable. They are looking almost brand spanking new with little to no effort and for almost pennies. Pull this little trick out of your sleeve and you are definitely going to impress a loved one in your home. I know I impressed my husband. They have this not only for dark wood, but light wood options are available. I'll link everything for you below. Have you signed up for the free newsletter? If not, make sure that you do. It's linked in the description box below. Make sure that you also follow me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share the best of the best and the first of the first. Let's keep the fun going. Click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.